Hi guys, this is Mansi Ludhwani. I hope you all are doing great. So for those who do not know me, I create videos on fashion in order to help women out there who are in the process of building their capsule wardrobe. So let's quickly move on to today's video. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all some workwear outfit formulas which is going to be summer friendly and is also going to be of great help for you all. So yeah, let's not waste a single second and let's quickly move on to today's video. For outfit number 1, I wanted to keep it simple but with a twist. Going with my high-waisted beige colored trousers which is straight fit in nature, and then pairing it with a white button-down shirt which has got frill detailing around the shoulder, which in turn makes it look stylish yet professional. Further, adding golden earrings, some rings, golden stack and a watch. Lastly, adding nude pump shoes and a nude tote bag to complete the look. So here's the first look with simpler color combination yet looks very flattering. Moving on to outfit number 2, since I wanted to add colors to my workwear wardrobe, so thought of going with this baby pink colored button down shirt and further pairing it with grey colored pleated high-waisted wide leg trousers which has also got pockets and are very comfortable in nature. Now tucking my shirt inside my pant and rolling up the sleeves and further accessorizing it with a tan belt to have that cohesive look. Now since the belt has got golden hardware, that's why I have added golden hoops, some golden rings and a watch. Now in order to complete the look, I have added nude pump shoes and a nude tote bag. So here's the second look of the video with such an amazing color combination and is also very rare, looks so put together and flattering. For third look, I am going with this high-waisted black midi skirt which is very comfortable and looks professional at the same time. Then pairing it up with a printed black button-down shirt which is a bit oversized. That's why I'm tucking it inside and rolling up the sleeves to create a put together and neat look. Further, accessorizing it with a white belt through color pulling method. Have added golden studs, golden ring, golden stack and a watch, white pump shoe and a white tote bag to complete the look. So here's the final look. For outfit number 4, wanted to go with a light color combination. So gonna go with this white high-waisted wide leg denim for that casual Fridays, and then further pairing it up with a powder blue half button down shirt, tucking it inside the pant and accessorizing it with a white belt. Adding golden jewelries such as golden hoops, golden ring and a watch as the belt has got golden hardware. Finally completing the look with white pump shoes and a white tote bag. Here's the final look, elegant color combination, apt for rising temperature, looks super stylish and flattering. Moving on to outfit number 5 and one of my favorite looks from today's video. Firstly, going with my usual beige colored high-waisted straight fit pants and then adding a dull green tank top along with it. Now to add that touch to this look, adding a layer of sleeveless vest blazer in order to elevate the look instantly. Finally completing the look with golden statement studs, golden ring, a watch, nude pump shoes and a nude tote bag. Revealing my final look now, this one looks super unique, so modish and so executive. For outfit number 6, going with my same pleated high-waisted grey colored trousers, which I also used in look number 2, and then pairing it up with a navy blue printed button-down shirt which has no collars, in turn making it ideal for business casuals or casual Fridays. Further, tucking it inside and rolling up the sleeves and accessorizing it with a white belt. To complete the look, adding golden hoops, some rings, a watch, white pump shoes and a white tote bag. Here's the final look, so chic and put together, full of comfort and professionalism. For the last outfit, keeping the look super casual and comfortable, going with this cargo pant. Now I understand if this kind of dress code is not allowed in your office, in that case you can even opt for denim or trousers. Further, going with a plain white top, keeping in mind the temperature outside and tucking it inside and rolling up the sleeves. Now accessorizing it with silver neck piece, silver hoops, some ring and a watch. Lastly, completing the look with casual transparent heels and a white tote bag. So here's the final look, simple, comforting, casual and cohesive. So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you find it helpful, you can even take the screenshot of all the outfits I have created. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Bye bye.